friends, today I will explain about the topic clinical trial. Clinical trials are research studies conducted with human participants to evaluate the effectiveness and safety of new treatments, interventions or drugs. Here's detailed explain of the by point wise. First one is purpose of clinical trials. Evaluate effectiveness, determine if a new treatment works as intended. Assess safety, identify any side effects or adverse reactions. It's compared to existing treatments, determine if the new treatment is better or worse than the current options. Second one is phase of clinical trials. In this, phase 1 is focuses on safety and dosages. Small groups of healthy volunteers, that is 20 to 100, is given the treatments to assess its safety, determine a safe dosage range and identify side effects. Phase second, test effectiveness and further evaluate safety. A large group of people, that is 100 to 300, with the candidates or diseases is treated to see if it works and to continue assessing safety. Phase 3 confirms effectiveness, monitors side effects, and compares it is to standard treatments. Involves a large group, that is 1000 to 3000, of participants to ensure the treatment is effectiveness across a diverse population. Phase 4, it conducted after the treatment is approved and marketed. Effectiveness, optimal use and detecting any rare or long-term side effects. Third is design and method randomized. Controlled trials, participants are randomly assigned to either the treatment group or a control group, placebo or standard. This design helps to minimize bias and ensure that the effects observed are due to the treatments itself. Blinding, participants and or researchers may be blinded to which treatment is being administered to reduce bias. In single blind study, only the participants are unaware of the treatment they are receiving. In a double blind study, both the participants and researchers do not know who is receiving which treatment. Placebo controlled trials use a placebo as a control to compare the new treatment's effects with no treatment. Fourth one is informed consent. Process, participants must be fully informed about the trial's purpose, procedures, risks, benefits, and their rights. They must voluntarily agree to participants by sign an informed consent form. Ongoing process, participants should be kept informed about the new finding that might affect their willingness to continue. Fifth is ethical consideration, institutional. Review board, that is IRBs, committees that review and approve the trials design ensure it meets ethical standard and that participants' rights are protected. Participant safety, ensure the safety and well-being of participants is uh, paramount. Trials are designed to minimize the risk and there are mechanisms in place to halt trial if serious issues arise. Sixth is regulatory oversight. Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA in the USA, the FDA reviews and approves clinical trials and new treatments before they can be marketed. Similar regulatory bodies exist in other countries. Seventh is data collection and analysis. Data collection, research collects data on participants' healthy response to treatment and side effects. Analysis is statistical method are used to analyze the data and determine if the treatment is effective and safe. Eighth is publication and results. Result sharing, finding from clinical trials and are published in medical journals or presented at conferences. This helps inform the medical community and the public about the treatment's effectiveness and safety. Post trial monitoring, ongoing monitoring of participants and long term studies helps in understanding the full impact of the treatment. Clinical trials are crucial for advancing medical knowledge and improving patient care. They provide the evidence needed to make informed decisions about the new treatments and therapies. Thank you.